In this video, I will show you how to go into big picture mode on Steam. So to get started with this, what you want to do is open up Steam and log into your accounts. Now there's two ways you can go into big picture mode. What you can do is come up to the top left hand corner of Steam, click onto view just up here, and you should see an option here to go into big picture mode. There's also another shortcut which, if you go up to the top right hand corner next to the minimize button, you're going to see a picture icon of like this computer monitor. If you hover over this, you can see we can go into big picture mode this way as well. Whichever way you choose to go into big picture mode, just simply select your chosen option, and as you can see, Steam is going to go into big picture mode. Once that's done, at any point if you want to come out of big picture mode, just simply come down to the bottom left hand corner, click onto the menu button down here, then you want to click onto power, and from this power menu you're going to see an option to exit big picture mode. Now if you want Steam to automatically start in big picture mode, you can actually enable this as well, and to do that you want to come up to the top left hand corner of Steam, click on Steam up here, and then click onto your settings. From your settings window, come over to the menu on the left hand side and click onto interface. And once you're in your interface, if you scroll down a bit, you're going to see an option to start Steam in big picture mode. So all you want to do is turn the switch on, and once you've done that, the next time you load up Steam, it's going to automatically start in big picture mode. So that's how to go into big picture mode on Steam. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.